Please note, when choosing a starting position for parking, keep in mind that a car is less maneuverable when moving forward. That's why it makes sense to stay slightly farther away from the parking space. The more distance you have, the easier it will be to park. Step 1. Find an available parking space. Step 2. Take the correct position on the road. Again, the farther you are from the parking space, the better. We will use the car parked in the next spot as our reference point. Move forward slowly until your right side mirror aligns with the headlight of the car. Park next to the spot you want to enter. Step 3. Check your side mirrors and make sure you're not blocking anyone or creating a dangerous situation. Turn the steering wheel all the way to the right and slowly begin moving forward. Pay attention to how the rear of your car lines up with the parking space. Here's the tricky moment. If you simply continue turning without adjustment, you won't fit into the space. To avoid this, when the front corner of your car enters the parking spot, turn the steering wheel to the left and straighten your wheels. When the rear of your car reaches the middle of the parking space, turn the steering wheel back to the right to align the car parallel with the parking lines. Congratulations, you've successfully parked. And if you want to learn more, don't forget to subscribe. We have lots of simple animations, driving quizzes, and helpful tips for beginner drivers. See you in the next video.